All right, once you have your template open, you are ready to input your own dates. So up here in this box, make sure you switch this to the name of your famous Missourian and then put your name there also. In order to edit the timeline, you just come down over the timeline and double click, and it's going to take you into Google Draw. If you click on the first box, it should let you start typing your first date. So for example, if I was doing Walt Disney, I would start with the year he was born. And then you would just fill in his birth date. And then if you want to, you can switch the font up here, make it bolder, make it a little bit bigger, but try to keep your words within the box. And then from there, you just keep clicking on each individual box and fill in all of your dates. Your goal is to fill in all 10 boxes if you can. So if you need to go and find a little bit of extra information to get important dates, make sure you go and do that. Once you are finished, you will come up here, hit save and close. Your dates will be inserted, and then just make sure you go back to Schoology and hit submit when you are finished.